sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Volkswagen New Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible provides exceptional value. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a power convertible top, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.